Hi everyone, today on Bored Delights, I'm going to share with you how to make my banana spinach smoothie. So you're going to start off with one ripe banana and you're just going to place this into your blender. Next you're going to add your spinach. I'm using frozen spinach that I thawed and I'm using 2 cubes of my frozen spinach. If you're using fresh spinach, you want to add 2 large handfuls of that. I'm also going to add in some cinnamon and some nutmeg. Of course, you're going to add in your milk, and you can use any type of milk that you like. I'm using almond milk. You're going to put your lid on, and then you're just going to blend this until everything is nice and smooth. And once this is nice and smooth, I like to taste it for sweetness, and I did end up adding 1 teaspoon of honey, which is completely optional. My banana just wasn't as ripe as it should have been, but that's okay. So I put this back on the blender and blended it together for another 15 seconds. And the banana spinach smoothie is done. It is such a great on-the-go breakfast. You can make this the night ahead and just place it in the fridge and grab it and go the next day. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Until next time, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.